What's up, beauties? It's your girl Shelethia Tre'nae, and today I'm going to show you guys how I did my makeup.
Psych! What's going on YouTube? It's your man Kels, and today I'm going to be doing a voiceover for Shelethia Tre'nae, aka my wife, my wifey boo, or whatever you want to call her. So it's gonna be like a makeup tutorial, I guess. So I'm just gonna be doing a voiceover to telling you what product she's using or what I think she's using. Don't judge me. I know we've been together for a while, but I still don't know every product that she uses. So bear with me. I'm gonna try my best to explain these as thorough as possible, okay? So bear with me now. All right, so right here, she's putting on, I don't know, concealer maybe? I don't know what it is. Dabbing it with her brush. So this is how she applies her makeup, starting out. I always have to put her little, I don't know, what is it, her leopard dots on them. After she applies them all over her face, she smoothens it out. But for right now, she has to get all the dots and stuff together.
What?
I don't know what it's called. So this is where she's smoothing it out right now, you know, just to get that smoothness, I guess you can call it.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Look at it, looking so beautiful. Look at it. Yeah, you look good. All right, so this is what she does her little tribal marks. So right here, she's looking like an African, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what this called though. I thought the other one was concealer, but maybe that's concealer. I don't know. I don't know what it's called, I'm sorry. I'm gonna call it concealer because it's sealing the face. I don't know.
I said it's fucking payday, motherfucker!
Yep, doing a lot of blending right now. She usually has like a little sponge, like one of those little blenders. I don't know. Right here, she is that lipstick? Baby, you got lipstick on your face. I don't know, but I guess you're gonna blend that in too, huh? So that's your trick. That's your trick. All right, cool. Got these people out here thinking that you're doing something else, but you're using lipstick and stuff for your face. But yeah, she usually uses like a sponge to blend her makeup and stuff in, but I guess she's using her makeup brushes. So right here, she's applying her lipstick, just doing the outlining of them. I guess just to get that, just to make them pop more. You know, like when you were in school and you had your color pencils and you used to color darker on the outside of the picture and then lighter on the inside to make it pop. That's what she's doing with them lips. I like it. It look good to me, honestly. So yeah, this is what she's doing right there. Look good already. Look at this. Look at it. All right, so this is what she has her. Damn, y'all got a brush for everything. What type of brush is this? So I guess right now she's doing the cheekbones and underneath her eyes, just to make them look more lively as well, I guess. I'm horrible at this. But you know what? It don't matter, because the description remains. So I apply a little bit on the forehead, a little bit down there on her nose. That's concealing. She talk about it all the time. Every single movie, she always look at somebody's nose like, oh, they didn't blend that in good. Concealing. I got you. I look good. I look real good. I ain't gonna even flex. But you know what look better? Woo! Sorry, I had to throw that in there. So yeah, she's still doing a lot of blending right now. Yeah, so what you doing now, baby? So now she's opening up her, what is it? Oh, she's singing right now. What's she singing? So now she's doing her eyelids. So right here, I guess what she was opening up with the different colors that she uses. So normally she would dab a little bit in there, put it over her eyelids, and then get a little bit more of a different color and blend it in just to get that natural look, that natural color. So that's what she's doing right now. Don't know the color that she's using. It's not nude, I don't think. And that's the only color I know other than red. So it look good though. So right here she's doing her eyelids. Just putting that, is that red? Just putting that red on the outside of them just to make them look better, you know what I'm saying? It's like a canvas. I don't know what it is. It's like you girls use your face as a canvas and you're sculpting stuff. Michelangelo in that thing. I don't know. It look good though. You know what I'm saying? Hey, more power to y'all. We just get a hot rag and we throw it on our face and we call it a day. Put a little bit of lotion on there. Preggo-related problems. I guess you had some technical difficulties. Y'all, these babies are amazing. Keeping us up, but they're amazing. So right now she has this reddish, greenish kind of, what is it, teal kind of look going on. Yo, it's looking good though. Yo, that shit crazy, yo. It's looking good though, baby. I see you. Gotta dab a little bit under the eyebrows, you know what I'm saying? Just to get that defined look, you know what I'm saying? That raw look. A little scratch. Doing more blending. Yo, it's a process. Now she's doing more blending underneath her eyes. I don't know what the blending underneath is for. I guess because people have, not saying that she has them. I guess people have like natural bags like me. I got natural bags, so I guess that's to prevent them from being seen. I don't know what it's for. Gotta get that comb. Good. I see them waves. All right, so right here she's doing her lip. Now this is a nude, I think. I'm gonna say it's a nude just because a nude is supposed to be the complexion of your skin. So I'm gonna assume it's nude, made by Rihanna. If it ain't, then I think it is though. I think it is. I think it's nude. So here's where she is applying her lipstick. Wait, so what other stuff you was just using? The lipstick for your face. See y'all got tricks. So here she's using her eyelash pen just to get those eyebrows to flip up, you know what I'm saying, to make them look more like, I don't know the words to describe it. But it look good though, you know what I'm saying? I get, mascara. Is that what it is? I believe so. That's to make them darker. I think that's mascara. It's to make them darker. And to make them longer, I believe, and more curlier. I think that's what it is. Yo, I'm horrible at this.
Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
My outro. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that notification bell down below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos from your girl, Shelethia Tre'nae. And if you want to see more videos from your boy Kels doing a cover for her, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and link it down below, you know what I'm saying. But other than that, hey, it's been a pleasure. Hopefully I get better at describing whatever she uses for her face. Just give me some more time, you know what I'm saying. I'll have the names down pat. But right now, hey, I'm new at it. You can't blame me, but you know what I'm saying? It's Kels.
It was a long time coming. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and like this video. Also, comment down below and give me some ideas that you guys want to see. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.
Deuce.
Tell them rush.
Yeah, I can tell. Slow it down.
Oh, good time. Okay.